Hey guys, it's your boy Lio GFX of Lio GFX Design Academy. I welcome you all to today's brand new episode of Photoshop tutorial. So today we are going to be making a very nice design. We're going to be learning a very wonderful uh, thing. So I'm going to be teaching you on how I made this broken text in Photoshop. So let's get right into the business as you realize as I take you through the whole process. So firstly, you go to your file, click on new, make it 1800 by 1800 as you can see it here, and you click on create. Already created it. Then you click on your text tool, and type in your word. So we're going to be using sword as the word SWORD. Okay, I come here and click on this place. Then you go to your move tool again, so that you can centralize this, so that I can make it on a centralized format. Okay, now you come to, alright, you press Ctrl T rather, so you can increase the size of the text. Press Ctrl T, press the size again. Now press Shift to increase the length of the text, and move it to the center again, and still increase it a little bit. Let's increase it a little bit. Okay, now come here and click on this place again. Then you go to your lasso tool. You either press Ctrl L or come here and click on lasso tool. Then you start drawing from here. Okay. Alright, now you come to this place and add a layer mask. Then you press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Then you come to the downwards layer. Come to the downward layer and Ctrl I to invert the text to high. Okay. Now you want to come to the upward layer again. Then double click on this place on the layer. Double click on it. Then you can now change the color. You either use overlay or gradient, anyone you like. Click on it and it's changed. Or you can come to this, or you can use your gradient. Any of it is okay, but I'll be using gradients. So alright, so this upper layer, I will now press Ctrl G. I'll make sure my I click on this upper layer, and then I'll now press Ctrl T here. So I will reduce the size here. I'll reduce it here also. Reduce it to any speed. Change it. So that's just about how to create a broken text in Photoshop. Please, if you are just joining this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can be the first person to get notified as soon as we upload another video. And please don't forget to turn on the notification button. That is very important. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you. Goodbye.